So no wonder why it's cool, I'm the dude that they hating on. And I ain't gon' stop till the day that I drop, so you haters might be waiting long. So tell me what they gon' do with me, when I am that dude you could be, but homie you can't, and haters.
Hi YouTube. Alright, today we have a pack of Theros, a pack of Onslaught of Dragon Souls Vanguard, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Shadow Specters. 1 and 4 is Theros, 2 and 5 is Vanguard, 3 and 6 is Shadow Specters. Let's see what we get. And we get a 4, which is Theros. And watch me murder the names. Nisian Cursor, March of the Return, Cavern Lampad, Boulderfall, Spark Jolt, Return Phalanx, Coastaline Chimera, Phyrekius, and my camera fell. Phyrekius Curse, Defend the Hearth, Leonin Snare Catcher, and our first uncommon is Phalanx Later, Peak Eruption, Flamecast Wheel, and our rare is Ashen Rider with a swamp and Elspeth emblem. Bleh, bleh, bleh.
Don't give a fuck, other days I feel like $1 million. I just can't keep doing this, cause it's the same shit. I spill my heart with this pen and no one even listens. Baggy pants, new kicks, and a fresh tee. If you wanna criticize, then criticize me, cause I ain't in it just to get a name or for the fame. I'm in it cause this is what I love to do. You haters look like you ate a grapefruit. I guess it's time to ride solo cause it's my thing. I keep a time with me, you bitches spare change. I ain't even left yet before spring. This is so much more.